Mr. Jeff the Custodian here. If you're like me, you probably are sick and tired of having to take your dust mops outside, brush them out with a brush, put them in the wash machine very often, or trying to deal with a laundering company that don't pick them up on time or they don't ever bring you enough back. So here is an awesome product that I want to share with you today. It's 3M Easy Trap. I'm going to put a link in the description below, and also at the end of this video, hey, give me a comment what you think about this product, or if you use this product or anything like it. It traps up to 8 times more dirt, dust, and sand. And it comes in a roll, 30 foot, 5 inches long, 60 sheets. So this will last a while. This is a used one that I have on my dust mop. And if you like me, you know, cleaning dust mops is not one of your favorite things to do, and having a washing machine handy may not be something that we all have. And if you don't have a company that comes out and gets your dust mops and picks them up and cleans them for you, cleaning service, you have to do this yourself. So these right here, they just peel off of your dust mop. You just pour some more out of your box. What this is probably the most aggravating part of the whole thing is, but what I like to do is get the sheet started and lay it on top of the dust mop, and then you're able to tear it off. And it doesn't have to be neat and all that kind of stuff. And I'm gonna show you what I really like about this stuff, because that's not a really neat piece. And I kind of missed the spot right there, so I just got a little piece right there. And that stuff is kind of tacky, and that's not going to come off. That's going to stay there. It doesn't have to be a really neat job of any of this, but what it does is you're able to keep your dust mops cleaner this way. So let's go dust mop some floors and see what this looks like afterwards. So this is after I have put the new one on and dust mop the floor. And you can see how much dirt and dust and lint and hair that has attracted. Right there's that little piece I put on. Didn't come off after all that shaking. And you may wonder, well, how often do you have to change this? Well, it's just like, when is it time to change your dust mop pit? You got to be your own judge on that, and it depends on, I guess, what area you're cleaning in. Not using this in a school setting, using this in a community college setting. I can get by with a week of changing this thing. So I can get a whole 5 days out of one change on my dust mop with this until before it's time to use another. See that? It sticks like that. It's just got a tacky substance to it. And I know probably what one of the first questions was that probably popped in your head was this right here. Well, does it grab the floor when you use it? Nope. It slides as good as a dust mop. You really can't tell that it's on there. It slides really good. Now, if you hit water with it, yes, I'm sure it would do. Like just, using a bare dust mop, it's gonna grab out water and it's gonna try to flip you over on your head. But I really do like this product as far as way it gets all that sand and dirt off the floor. It does such a much better job, and not having to use dust mop treatment anymore. Oh my word, that is just awesome to me, because on a wax floor, I've had problems in the past using a oil-based dust mop treatment where it will leave a film on the floor, makes that wax turn yellow. And the water-based dust mop treatments, to me, it's like running through a puddle of water. It just doesn't do good. I know you treat your dust mops, you leave it overnight and all that stuff, but don't have to worry about that with this anymore.
Not using dust mop treatment? What's that thing you got hanging off your hand like that? A booger stick to your finger like that. What you do when you get done with it? Wipe it on your britches?
So I just kind of wanted to share that tip about dust mops today. There is things out there that make our job a whole lot easier. What I really love about this whole thing is that dust mop right there, I can change it every 6 months. I can throw it on the wash machine, wash it, clean it. I don't have to clean it near as often as I used to. I don't have to take it outside, clean it out with a brush, any of that anymore. So, hey, things have come a long way in things that we have to clean with these days, and I'm liking it a whole lot. So, if you're kind of stuck in your ways and you're old timer and you want to use that floor compound and them spray dust mop treatments, those things that yellow your wax floors, well, I'm just not there anymore. I'm willing to step up and learn something new because I don't know it all, and the day I think I do, I need to go to the house. Y'all have a great day. Hit that like and subscribe button, that little bell notification button. That way you'll know when I post new videos. Y'all have a great day.